Hello and welcome to Customer Experience Magazine. My name's David Dungay. We're here reporting from the International Customer Experience Awards 2025. I'm with Andy D'Amato from Gladly. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I'm great, thank you. So first of all, tell us a little bit about Gladly for those who might not be familiar with who you are and what you do.
Sure. So at Gladly, we build customer service AI agents, highly personalized AI, not about just deflections, but more about driving customer loyalty, which leads to revenue. We also provide a full-service customer service platform. Haven't been new to the space. We've been around for a bit. Hundreds of customers, household names that you would recognize, Nordstrom, REI, Ulta Beauty, have been using us for years and enjoying the platform. And what we've been up to most recently is creating an integration to other help desks so we can take our AI, our customer service AI, overlay it on other help desks. And our most recent customer is a really hot golf brand, US brand that's on fire, that joined the Gladly family yesterday, and they are using our AI on top of Zendesk as an example.
Wow, I will be watching out for that brand as soon as you're able to tell us. So AI agents, clearly, that's kind of the next conversation that's really blowing up in the market right now, and how they can deliver not just outcomes for businesses, but help employees as well. Now we see a lot of implementations across the market. Some successful, some unsuccessful. Right. From Gladly's position, what makes a successful AI implementation?
So I think what we spoke about today was right now we're in an AI gold rush, meaning everybody's looking to deploy AI as quickly as possible, and most people are chasing speed and deflections. And that's great, but at the end of the day, many times that's just frustrating the end consumer. And I think the easiest way to kind of put it in picture was through a simple example like we used on screen today, which is if you had an issue with using a discount code with an order of yours, right? An old school chatbot might just simply point you to another article, and you leave even more frustrated. So great AI is going to show up, and it's going to show up with empathy. It's going to understand who you are. It's going to know who you are. It's going to understand your customer profile, and it's going to take action. It's not going to point you to an article. It's going to maybe apply a discount at checkout or take some kind of actual real tangible action, leaving the consumer a lot happier. And that's because it has access to external systems. It has access to order information. It knows who you are. It has your profile. And ultimately, you just leave a happier person.
Yeah, I mean, I love that example actually you had on stage of the empathy now built into these kind of chatbots and automations. It's getting to a point where you're not quite sure if you're talking to a machine or a human. It's great.
That all the time.
Yeah.
So certain brands choose to divulge, intentionally, and in some areas it's required. But it's really funny to read some of these responses where even after somebody has told. The AI has told the end consumer their AI, a couple of messages later they forget and they realize, I can't believe I'm talking to AI, I thought you were human.
So finally, for those enterprises that might be watching today on their own AI journey, because I think most, if not all, businesses are on some form of AI journey right now. What are your kind of tips for implementing the kind of technology you're talking about here? How should people think about it? Where should they start?
Absolutely. So I'd say the resounding piece of feedback from our own customer base and our most successful implementations is, it's going to sound really simple, but at the end of the day, put your best people on it, and don't consider it an event. AI is no longer an old school SaaS implementation with a start date and an end date. At the end of the day, you are continuously optimizing, and whether you're doing that through a partner like us or internal resources, you're going to want to continuously optimize, focus on making those responses, the resolutions better each and every day. Make sure you're getting the value out of it.
Fantastic. Andy, thank you so much for joining me. Enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks for having me.
And thank you for watching. You've been watching me, David Dungay, on Customer Experience Magazine.